cute. Oh, wow. And yes, these lights, it looks like a golden penis. So I was gonna add this piece of art that I got from the Buffalo Art Museum. Okay, so I stitched the balloon valance out of this material. I also had this splatter. Hey guys, the 90s are back. When you look at Kelly Wearstler, postmodern design, there's so many references, but not in the way you think. I'm not bringing back wall-to-wall carpet. I am bringing back billowy 90s style balloon valances. Super easy to sew. Just get some fabric, fold it in half, and tie it up around the edges. I think because I was in my heyday in the 90s, so I have a proclivity to lean in that direction. Like for example, these Panther lamps, my postmodern bedroom furniture. I even sourced some sconces off eBay, which I'm gonna incorporate into the look. But just think of sponge painting, track lighting, postmodern elements. Think less elementary school craft project, but more like textured walls, such as lime wash and distressing. This 90s inspired bathroom is gonna have a little drama as well. Think of tile, think of blending nostalgia with modern design. So that's kind of the look I'm going for, and I hope you guys can understand and get the vision. But I just want to share some images I found on the internet. For example, let's look at this room with this wood paneling and the blacks, the console table. Like, I mean, you can think of like casino, cocaine era, or you can think of like 90s MTV. Whatever reminds you of the 90s, that's kind of like the look I'm going for. So with this picture, I really love the glam of this bedroom. It's dark, it's moody, but it's kind of chic at the same time. And that's kind of the look that I'm going for in the bathroom. Now this next photo really grabbed my eye and my attention because this is like an indoor pool room. I think of this as probably like Miami, South Beach. I love the plants, the artwork, the dark pool furniture with the pool. I just love this pool room. Then you see the palm frond coming out. I just think it adds a really nice look to the pool space. Now this next bathroom, I love it. Now I'm not gonna have these black lacquer accents, but I do have a lot of pieces like this, like my black marble. I did that in the foyer. I have a side table like this in a black marble. Actually, I think it's a really, really, really dark green. So I want to mix some earthiness with some shininess, with some lacquer. And I think the juxtaposition of like dull, putty, matte surfaces and next to shiny surfaces gives me that look that I like. It's that je ne sais quoi. Now this bedroom, I like how it's sunken, but you notice the wall-to-wall carpet, which is not practical because I have 2 dogs, 8 kids. I think I only have like 5 kids left in the house, but it's just not practical for me. But you get the idea. And you see that pop of orange, that pop of deep red. So I'm definitely going to incorporate some jewel tones into my final look. Now this bathroom, this was taken from Wendy's Diary here on YouTube. I love how she uses this green tile with the checker and then the smaller checker inlay. It's just fabulous. And then see these dark green tiles. So I want to incorporate some dark green, some emerald green in my look. So what I did was I found these sconces on eBay, which will be here. And I'm either going to put them, I think I'm going to put them in the hallway because the sconces that I have now are from New York. But I'm kind of over that little wavy shape. I want to add these sconces. So I got them for $100. So yeah, so when I had, let me go in the bathroom. But kind of like how I was reminded that I love the 90s, I was doing the lime wash on the walls. My mom was like, oh, you're doing a sponge technique. And I was like, it's a lime wash. But I was like, you know what? It is a sponge. And when you look at the directions, it says you can use a sponge, you can use a trowel, you can use a brush. And I was like, yeah, totally like reminds me of the 90s. But I like how you get the subtle movement of texture, but it's like not too like obvious. Okay, so then when I had these shelves all clad in tile, first what they wanted to do was they wanted to just do wood shelves and drywall. And I was like, no, I want the tile on all surfaces. I was like, yeah, like a 90s throwback. And I love it. This is totally 90s. You know how 90s bathrooms had hella tile? It wasn't just like solid marble on the walls like everyone's doing. It was like a lot of tile craftsmanship. So I had to pay the tile master $1,000 for this, but so worth it. And I love how I can just display like my vintage treasures. And I was thinking of going to like one of my favorite vintage stores today. But like this piece, you know, like it's supposed to be like this, but the housekeeper put it like this, which is a good look too. Whoa. The housekeeper kept it like that, which is cute too. Another way we're bringing in the 90s is plenty of chrome. So these are actually sterling silver. I need to shine them up, but this is like a really subtle way to incorporate hints of that era. And I also have another chair. Let me show you. You see this chair? It's actually a dupe for like one of these famous style chairs, but I love it. I got it from Home Depot, believe it or not, Home Depot online. Okay, I just want to remind you what the bathroom looked like before, so we've come a long way. So I was going to add this piece of art that I got from the Buffalo Art Museum, but I'm kind of over these frames, and now that I think about it, I kind of went down the rabbit hole and sourced a bunch of vintage, ornate, chunky frames. I even started making them, and then I realized I don't think they're really my style, and I think I was trying to like copy what was going around the internet. So yeah, so I'm not gonna hang this, but I did go around my house and I found this, which was in my bedroom, and I just added this little candle. But what do you guys think about the lights? They do add a nice little color wash on the wall. Kind of looks like a golden penis. It does kind of look like a golden penis. I had the best bath, you guys. I had the best bath. So these jets, they give them the best bubbles, and then those little dots at the bottom, they puff out air, so you can have an air massage or a water jet massage. You can open this and add aromatherapy, which I will probably never do. So the whole left side is done, but we need to tackle the right. Just waiting for the mirror to arrive. Actually, but I need to check the tracking and see when it's coming. But you know what? I'm fighting myself because I really want to go to this vintage store. This is cute. This is cute. Oh, wow. Like that picture's cute, but I wonder how much it is. This is cute. I'm always drawn to sweaters like this. 65. Look at this with the bunnies. So cute. So I picked this up from the vintage shop. Also got this, but I was going to use it as a window treatment, but now I don't think I am because I made that one. But it's pretty. So I was thinking we could put this like there. I mean, I can also put it over there once we get to it. But oh, that's so pretty, guys. I mean, I could put it on top too. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm not exactly sure if we're gonna keep this layered up, but it's cute for a little while. What the heck, did I already get this dirty? Oh my gosh. All right, and I got this Nago piece, which I think I'm gonna hang up on that wall because here my husband's gonna hang up the TV. But anyways, all right guys, I'm gonna end the video there. And next time we will hang up the LED mirror and finish up the bathroom makeover. Wait, last couple items I got this. You know, I can never find my Tesla car key, but I'm gonna hang this from the little loop, my Melody. And then I got this for school. It's Prada backpack. I got it from the Real. Super perfect. It's nice and big. It's not like a flimsy one. This is a total 90s throwback too, but I'm not overdosing on 90s, guys. Don't worry. Just adding some postmodern touches that are like right up my alley, you know? I'm keeping with my style. It's like I love watching YouTube and I love looking at everyone else's style, but I'm always drawn to this type of stuff.